Hello and welcome to my lair. This is my throne.
Here's where we keep the ropes and bunch of cords, and our boy's watching over it.
And this is our armory, where we're kind of low on weapons, right? We make it work. If we need more weapons, we can just steal them, right? And over here, we got some henchmen getting turned up. And over here we have the lounge. That's my boy Chicken Hat over there. Isn't that right, Chicken Hat? So, I think today we're going to conquer the world. I think the plan will be we take out the mighty ducks.
Take out the mighty ducks. What did they ever do to you? Take out the mighty ducks. What did they ever do to you?
What did they do to me? They did nothing to me. But the goody two shoes, and we're evil. They must fall.
Really, that's your plan? Really, that's your plan?
You're gonna fail.
You're gonna fail. You're gonna fail.
Yeah, I failed. Told you so.
Told you so. Told you so.
I won't fail next time. Although I probably will. I mean, I'm not the greatest at being evil. But I try. That's all that matters. It's really all you need in order to be evil is to try and be evil. Want to be evil. I don't want to be evil. People have found the lair. Oh no!